Hey guys, in case you never see what a culvert look like, here is a culvert. So drainage and irrigation is very important for growing rice. So clearly here this has to do with the drainage and irrigation for the rice lands here. So that's it. So you see guys, those dogs, they want to run me, but you know, I guess I'm a dog person, right? So it's not fear, but in the countryside you just can't come like that. That is like the gatekeeper, you know, that dog there that just barked at me. Yeah, so some people will run, but you see I didn't run, so it's two of them against me, guys. See you next time. I'm here, the Hoop Michael. Good, bye.